going to see about the ellipse, how to draw an ellipse. So the given question is 60 ellipse having a directrix with eccentricity 3 by 4. So first we need to draw a reference line. Use F8 command. So it should be around 120 to 130. So that is an approximate line. From midpoint, draw a 60 line. Then use divide command. Divide. Select object. Enter number of segments as 7. Enter. Now PD mode. Enter value as 3. Enter. You can see the divisions. Now PD size. Give it as 2. So that the divisions can be seen in smaller size. Now from here, so the left side should be 4 parts and right side should be 3 parts. So like that you have to draw a circle. So connect the center to the top, then trim off the curves. Yeah, trim it off. Now join the line with this point. Yes. Now we have to extend this line to certain distance, and you have to also extend this line above line also to certain extent. So I have switched off F8 so that cross diagonal. So EX double 8, yeah, I can get the external line. Now I can delete the reference line. Okay. Now go for offset, give distance as 15 select this object and give M, which is multiple M, enter. Now we can get multiple lines. That's all. Now we have to connect these lines to here. Now again extend command, double enter. Yeah. Further we have to extend. We will do next time. Okay. Yeah. Now, so this is, you have to mark it 1, 2, 3 like that. You have to mark, and this is 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, and 3 3 dash. So you have to draw a circle from here to, just click this point from here to here. Then move that point to focus. So this is the focus point. Now mark point command, enter, and we have to mark it up. Similarly, for all the lines, we have to draw from center to, from 2 to 2 dash, 3 to 3 dash, 4 to 4 dash. So similarly, we have to draw, and you have to draw all these circle to the focus point. So you can draw single by single line also. So I am drawing just multiple lines. See, I am just moving all these points to the focus. I have to carefully select the center. See, yeah. So the first point we have marked. From second point we need to give point command. Zoom it up and give the points. Okay, intersection. Then the space bar, again it will activate the command. Click it, space bar. Click it, space bar. Click it, space bar. Clicking it. Click it. Click it. And so only the cross mark you have to choose as point. Any other intersection should be an disturbance. Okay, now we have to further go for the extend command. EX double enter. Yeah, next offset distance 15. Also we can go for this. So M enter. Yeah. Now I am extending this line to here. Now extend command. From here to here. This is inclined, so I haven't drawn here. So further I'll just go for an inclined line. Extend. Now first we move here. So with that we can check almost how many points are required. Yeah. Now again point command point. So you can see the slopes are getting decreased. So with further one or two lines we'll get the final shape. I'll just draw a circle from here so that I can get clearer picture how to get it. So yeah, so this is the last point. So further we can proceed. So we get this point, just delete these points and these points. So we have got the upper portion. Now we have to select this object and mirror so that we can get the lower portion. So select objects, just selecting it, give enter. So first point here and second point is exactly here. Source erase object, you have to give no. Yeah, now we have got this. So just delete this line and this line and this line. So after just to connect the spline using this command, so we can trim off these excess lines. Now spline command. So you can start from any point. So I'm just starting from here. You can see the inner circle. Okay, so you have to specify the. So here I have missed it. So spline. So these are some points which will be have to be careful. Just we have to mark the circle and we have to end where we have started. So now we have get the ellipse. Now trim off the excess lines. Yes, now we have. So this is the ellipse. So we can further extend this line from here. So use F8 command. This is also an opposite side directrix. Now we need to draw a tangent. So the numberings can be easily marked. Okay, so the tangent. For tangent, from focus, you have to select any point on the curve. You can either select the lower portion or the upper portion. So I am just going to select this particular point. So using this F8. So I am just selecting this point. Okay. Now I have to draw a perpendicular line for this line. So I am just drawing an extra line. So go to parametric in that perpendicular. So this is the first line and so this is the perpendicular line. Just to trim off these excess lines, then go to home line, then connect it from here to here. Now again draw an reference line, so which will be extended. We need to extend this tangent line, right? So we need to, so we have extended it. Now from this point we have to draw the tangent. Again parametric, have to go for tangent, select this point and this point. Yeah, extend command will give the tangent line. So we have to just do the numbering. So yeah, now we go for the texting. So just first we go for the dimensioning. So this is the first point and from here to here it should be 60 mm. We can mark, yeah, here. So you can see the 60 mm. Now we go for the text. Okay, so first go for multi-line text. Just type one text. Okay, that is enough. From that we can copy and move anywhere. Okay. So this is E. Now Control C and Control V. So paste it. So this is the focus point. Can just move it clearly. Okay, so focus, and here is the vertex V. Yeah. Now we just move to tangent line. So this is the normal. So this is N, and now P, the tangent line, we have marked it as P, and the cross references M. Yeah. So M F P. Okay. Have to move it the P to here, so it will be a clear one. Yeah. So this is a normal line. I have to give markings. Okay. Now, so if the can see the text size is smaller, so just select it. Go to properties. In that, in all, you can go for M text. In that, text height will be shown in the bottom. So text height, I can increase it to 4. Okay, so I can get a bigger size. See, yeah, the size has been increased compared to the dimension. In case of dimension, select all, give dim style, dim style, dim style. Yeah, in that modify text, you go for size 4. Okay, then set current and close. So you can see the increasing size. You just copy all these text and you can paste it wherever you want. So this is the CD line. Okay, now C and D, and here D1, then E1, then C1, just moving it slightly lower. So similarly, you can draw the numberings also. You can see here one point G. Now copy it, paste here. So this is the 1 dash. Just copy and paste it. Will be 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. You have to just copy paste in, type it. Okay. So the exact numberings will be coming as here. So 1. This is the first point. So you have to give 1, then 2, then 3. So similarly, like that, you have to go further. This is similarly, you have to give all the other numberings. In terms of the curve, you have to go for A1. Okay. So just pacing. So this is the first point. So this is A1.